In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the EGR valve on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the intake snorkel. You can do this job without doing that, but it's a lot harder to get in there, so we're just going to take this off. We'll have more room. Using an 8mm socket, loosen up the worm clamp. And over here as well. Loosen that up. Slide this off. Oops. Slide it off the throttle body. And slide it out of the way. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it up, out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, take these two bolts out. Take that out. And grab the EGR valve and slide it off. Take the gasket off. If there's any remnants of the gasket, you can use a scraper. This looks pretty good. You can take your gasket and put it right here. This one, the gasket's already attached. It's still there and it's still good. So line this up. Put the bolts in. Get those started. And tighten these bolts down. And snug those down. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. And take the snorkel, line it up. Throttle body. That's good. Now I'll tighten these down. Tighten that one down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.